Alright guys, so we're going to make a quick little video on this microfilter backpacking life straw, I guess. We're just going to do a quick unboxing video, should just take a minute, and then we'll get to the actual review and stuff. So, this is more for people who actually want to see what the box looks like. That's what that is. It's got a little thing right there. Pouch. Let's see what's in there in a minute. So this is the straw itself, I suppose. Bump the tripod. Okay, so we got some hose. Let's expect filters in there. And just a pouch. Might be waterproof, might not be. Okay, let's do the testing later today, I guess, when we're hiking. So as it rains, so you're going to plug the sediment filter into the inlet, and the floater is going to be on top of, or below the sediment filter. Keep it out of the muck. Got your inlet hose, and the other hose will be plugged into your outlet hose, which will go inside your bottle, and then you got your pump. So let's go try it out. So as you can see, our floater is keeping the hose above water, and our exterior filter there. Got Dad pumping the water right there. I'm kind of precariously perched on these rocks, so hopefully I don't drench my camera like that. So, see the water's foaming into our bottle over there. And a friend of ours told us that these are best used with not rapid pumping, but some slow and steady pumps. So as you can see, that's what he's doing. Zoom out a little bit. Water's pushing the floater out. Pretty clean there. That bottom filter is going to filter out any of the fungus trying to crawl up in there, and then the interior filter should filter out any of the smaller things that the cage doesn't catch. And we're on the other side. Alright, to make a side note, you might have to dump the first bottle you filter through, or just give it a few pumps without putting it in the bottle, because it's going to filter a little bit of the charcoal into that first bottle, but give it a pump or two to clear it out, and you should be good. So, we're going to refill that bottle. First one had a little bit of charcoal in it, like I said. So there you can see the water's got a lot less bubbles in it, and looking pretty good there. So you got these two little plugs. You're going to put them in there to keep the fungus among us from growing inside your filter. So just black goes on the insert, and red goes on the outside. And Dad just lost the plug. Oof. Tempted Hollow, the biggest waterfall in Arkansas.